This is how to extend the life of your skateboard deck. So I was looking through my piles. I found this board. The tail is like very good condition, barely used. Same with the nose, except this is probably why they threw it out. So I'm gonna show you how to extend the life of this deck. If you have something similar, if you have a big chip and you're thinking about throwing it out and you still have that chip, let me show you what you can do. I'm gonna use some Tide Bond wood glue. This is Tide Bond 3, which is meant for exterior use, so it's waterproof. This is like $5, I think, at the hardware store. This is a bigger bottle, but they have a smaller bottle. This is a bigger chip. It's gonna kind of seep in there a lot more. There's a little shim in here. This little blue piece of skateboard, keeping the opening open for me. Here's this little clamp, squeeze clamp. Here you see some glue seeping out from the edges a bit. This is $1 at Home Depot. Leave it overnight, leave it in a warm place so the glue can cure properly. After 24 hours, this should be solid as a rock. And there, you just saved yourself like $60 on a new deck. It only costs you $10, less than $10 to prolong the life of this deck. And you have extra wood glue now, so if it happens again, you got plenty of wood glue to spare, and